Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills Rituraj Ravi hakalai terik yayong ulaong baka jingkem no yaki arngut ki dukhat jong ka Khasi Students Union KSU hakabaya David ka jingja syak penyam jong ki arngut ki barjela ha ichamati shela blok kalong halor ka nongrim jong ki sakhi satar ki bakhlain habakren shakilat pathai khubor Ravi ulaong baki penlong ka jing tokiat halor ka ne ka jingja syak penyam kabala jana duk ka arpnyo terik uluber baladep katkum ki kendon jong ka ain Bat kani kalalong ka basayso katkum ki sakhi satar ki bangila yoklum kata lengba ki jingya thu da ki sakhi bat katkum ki jing yoklum lengba ki scientific data ki bangila yoklum hakabay de bat kani ka jingja kini ki arngut ki khot ka KSU South Khasi Hills ki bala syakyam no hakamir sining kong balala ki de ki bala tip kerteng kum ushan borlang syati bat mesa dap bors Campbell Uneu hek pulit ula ongru halor kani ke jingja ngi kwak ban penpau bangila ya ikat kum ki sakhi satar ki bangila yoklum hakapor ba penlong ya ke jing tokiet bat ya kani la pentrekam kat kum ki kendon jong ka an nadu katai ka sngi balaja ka jing syak penyam ngila penlong ya ke jing tokiet na barok kiliang Syu ula ongru banakal yang ki bor pulit kilalong ki bapet ngor bat perking ya ke jing pahara habarok ka weka district kata wat hadien ba ula kentu ya ki samla bakim dai ban shim ya ka an halaki jong ki kti bat ban sya ya ka an bakan le ya ka badan kam
From the date of incident, the moment of incident, we have been investigating this case as per the provisions of law, and we have progressed in that as per the evidences that we have collected, as per the witness accounts, and as per all the scientific data that we have collected from PO and all other relevant facts of the matter. Now, the investigation, during investigation, the leads that we received and based on very strong evidences, only those arrests were made. Thank you. Today, a crowd numbering around 300 to 400, they gathered at Sora PS, and they protested against the arrests that we have made in connection with the murders that happened at Ichamati. However, the protest was peaceful, and after some time they dispersed from the PS premises peacefully. They were protesting against these arrests, so we have explained that we are investigating the two murders and law shall take its own course. Yes, so on that front, we would like to stress that we go as per the evidence that we gathered during the investigation, and the investigation is being undertaken as per the procedures of law. So, from the day that this incident happened, we were doing our investigation, working on the leads, working on the witnesses. We always endeavor that to make arrests during daytime and during daylight hours only. However, it's during when we pursue the leads, when we pursue the evidences, the timings may not always be as per the conveniences. So these things do happen sometimes. We got 6, 2 more we are getting.
It will be
8 till now. We are maintaining highest level of security measures all throughout the city and the district, and we take this opportunity to urge all the youth not to take law into their own hands and to abide by the rule of law. Thank you.